In this review, we'll be analyzing Hostgator.com. Here's your host. When buying a hosting, pay attention to the company's history. Hostgator has been working in the hosting industry since 2002 and is one of the leading hosting companies, which owns around 12,000 servers. Currently, Hostgator offers its services to more than 1 million clients who own about 2 million websites. It's the biggest company among the top 10 at webhostinggeeks.com. Let's get to know Hostgator closer, including some of its pros and cons. It'll cost you. Hostgator provides every type of hosting: shared, reseller, VPS, and dedicated. You may also choose a platform for each of the listed hosting types: Linksys or Windows. Hostgator's servers are located in 4 U.S.-based data centers. The company is concerned with ecological issues, so many of the servers are wind-powered. Company prices are affordable. After buying a hosting at Hostgator, you'll receive a full range of services: unlimited disk space and bandwidth, more than 4,500 free templates, $100 Google AdWords credit, 75 different open-source scripts, and a big choice of discount coupons. Hostgator is one of the few top 10 hosting companies that can offer such a variety of discounts on different services. Want a free trial? No problem. Enter the right code when ordering and get the first month of use for free. To make sure that Hostgator is right for us, let's study the company's terms of service. Hostgator gives a 45-day money-back guarantee on managed shared hosting and reseller solutions for any customer who paid the first invoice with a credit card or with PayPal. There are no refunds on dedicated servers, administrative fees, and install fees for custom software. Refund requests for .com, .net, and .org domain names will have the common market value subtracted from the overall cost. Only first-time accounts are eligible for a refund. Unlike other hosting companies that promise unlimited service, Hostgator lists all their limits and term violations in their contract. At Hostgator, a user may not use 25% or more of system resources for longer than 90 seconds, run any software that interfaces with an IRC network, any BitTorrent application, any gaming servers, participate in any file-sharing activities, or use several scripts. The file limit is 250,000. Mail limit is 25 megabytes or 300 cent mails an hour. Any shared account using more than 20 gigs of disk space will be removed from weekly backup, with the exception of databases continuing to be backed up. Thus we see that the unlimited features of Hostgator have their limit, but everything is listed in their terms of use, so there shouldn't be any misunderstandings. Expert Geek Thoughts. We requested help from our expert group, the Hosting Geeks team, to conduct in-depth research of Hostgator, and here's what we found. Company prices are affordable, so in terms of price, Hostgator places average among the top 10. We've been analyzing the company's price dynamics since 2005. For the first 2 years, prices remained high. In 2007, the cost lowered and remained stable for 3 years. At the end of 2010, the prices went even lower and haven't changed. Hostgator's uptime is 98.41%, which is really high among the top 10 hosting companies. There are and never will be 100% uptime shared hosting companies. Never ever. Be real. Hostgator's qualified and professional technical support takes a leading position in the top 10. After analyzing user feedback, we see that the number of negative reviews are twice as high as the positive ones, probably due to the large number of clients and age of the company. Comments on functionality, stability, and tech support are almost equal in number. Obviously, the hosting is well developed in each of these categories. User feedback was divided into the following categories: sales, functionality, tech support, and stability. An equal number of positive and negative reviews mention stability, with a lot of negative comments falling under the sales department, technical support, and functionality. What users say. To make the right choice, let's turn to webhostinggeeks.com, a reliable information resource. Users are positive about company prices and discounts. noting a wide range of services and diversity of money plans. But clients aren't quite satisfied with unlimited resources, which have their limit, unless you buy a more expensive plan. Hostgator's uptime is high, and average downtime is 145 minutes a month. When websites experience downtime, they are put on less loaded servers. Technical support's average answer time is 2 minutes by phone, 2.5 minutes by live chat, and 6 hours by email. Though it's hard to get an answer from the operators quickly, the problems are always solved professionally. Users are negative about outdated software and inability of servers to support new programs and scripts. If you're ready, let's choose a hosting plan and sign a contract with Hostgator. How to build a site. Let's try to create our first site. You can choose from BaseKit Site Builder or WordPress. By means of BaseKit, you can create professional websites from within your browser in just a few clicks with no special skills needed. WordPress, one of the most popular blogging platforms with a focus on aesthetics, web standards, and usability. Both website builders are great, so the user can make a choice based on his project needs. Gator Guidance. Now let's try to contact Hostgator technical support staff, ask some questions, and find out how they really work.
Hello, yes, I would like to buy one of your dedicated servers, and I would like to know whether you provide any discounts for your VPS and dedicated servers.
Only the first invoice has a 20% discount.
Okay, I see. And can you please tell me, what is the usual uptime of your servers?
99.9%.
So this is the guaranteed
Here are the
uptime,
answers to our questions.
And one more
The
question.
company's guaranteed uptime is 99.9%. There are discounts on dedicated and VPS servers.
In which state?
The company doesn't have servers in Europe. However, we are told the US-based servers work perfectly. Final thoughts. Hostgator is a provider with a worldwide and impeccable reputation among residents of more than 200 countries. The number of clients suggests that Hostgator is really popular among customers. The prices aren't the cheapest, but the range of provided services is of high quality. At this company, you'll be able to buy any type of hosting, from shared to dedicated. Hostgator constantly offers pretty good discounts and has over 4,500 free design templates. If you don't like the quality of hosting, you may request a refund within the first 45 days of sign-up. The work and quality of technical support is controlled by the owner of the company, though the speed of response is low. Hostgator hosting is perfect for any type of project, from small blogs to business applications.